Si Silent.
Laya na yata ito, oh.
Wala yan, hindi man nakulong yan.
Hindi naman nakulong yan.
Si
Sige man nakatiktok.
Sige man, arte-arte lang na yan. Paganda na si Rosie.
Sana all.
Ready
Para
to go na.
magbilis na lang ako. Maya.
Ilang oras ba yung riban mo?
Tagal.
8 hours?
Ay, hindi din. 5.
Kasi pag ako nagpariban, 8 hours.
Depende sa... Ano oras ba? Alis ni Silent?
Alas 6 daw yun.
Alis. Ba't si Silent hindi naman nakasama? Naka-live eh?
Si Silent, hindi yan. Video yun. Sana all.
Ito yung cellphone ko na bago.
Ay, parehas si cellphone ko. Itong cellphone ko.
Ano ba yan? Unit?
Ano to? Y020?
Ito ay 083 yata.
22. Magkano yan?
5,699.
599 to. Kangaroo. Busy.
Nabanhid pa ako.
Ready na. Ready to go.
Bilis na lang.
Dapat hindi yan naka-crimsel pag niriban book mo.
Hindi. Hindi. Sobrang magdalawang taon na ito. Kaya ganyan na tapos pinakula ko. Sinabara ko.
Hindi, ano pa. Matagal na yan. Wala na. Ano sinasagot? Silent girl. Wow, sexy lady.
Pagpayat ka kahit anong suotin mo lang, no?
Kami na teras tingnan dito sa camera malalaki.
Sinkiyas parang ang laki niya rin sa pero hindi naman.
Madaya.
Madaya.
Pero pag maliit ka sa parang din.
Ayan. Nag-New Year na, walang boyfriend sana.
Ako nag-New Year na broken.
Sinong mga single dyan? Pakita na kayo, pakilala na kayo sa amin para hindi pa mahuling. Caption! Anong gusto mo? Pakistan? Bangladesh o ano? India.
Kuhan mo lang ang lumating.
Anong dumating? Dumating.
Lagay mo all single.
All single? Ayaw mo ng married na?
Comment.
Ayaw mo ng married na?
Meron.
Yung kasal na?
Kasi wala kasi. Kasi sa nag-heart. Ay, nag-heart ka na.
Sa'yo. Anong gusto mo? Pakistan?
Pakistan na single. I don't like na married man because I always hurt him.
Yar dorog-dorog, yar puso na.
I'm durog-durog na. Sometimes I'm not going to I will die for love.
Huwag ka ng music dyan. Wala ka na nga boyfriend. Mag-music ka pa.
Kaya nga.
Who's single there?
Ah,
If you're not single, don't come my life me. Because you always hurt. I'm durog-durog my heart na. Like the...
If you're not single, don't come my life.
If you're not single, don't
If you not know how to handle the relation, don't start.
come. Don't disturb
Don't
me.
come.
Don't fall in love. Then you go and you leave me.
And leave me alone.
Please.
Please. Sana all.
Sana all.
2025 single. Single pa more.
Single pa more. Tapos na ang panood niya.
Ito naman, may secret admirer. Pero hindi inaamin.
Secret relationship.
Ay, relation niya. Single daw.
Double, triple.
Pero may caring.
May caring and loving.
Ito naman sa yakin girl.
I always hurt. I'm always crying. I'm jealousy
You hurt
lady.
me?
I'm jealousy lady. I'm negative lady daw. What is that? If your boyfriend is jumping kangaroo in TikTok, that's why you feel this, jealous na.
Sana all.
Sino kaya yun?
Who single ka? Come to the life
Who
of
singles
Rose.
come to the live and support me.
And send mamata.
And send mamata and send chuma-chuma. Okay?
Oh.
If you don't have chuma-chuma, you go live na. You go away.
Need diamond na.
I need diamond hearts. I need
Diamond. And you need mamata and Leon.
mamata and lion.
If you know have Leon, farm Leon, non come.
Don't come in my life na. Because my life is karba.
Oh, buwang talaga. Siguro, ay serious dyan. Baka nag-otot-otot ka.
Rico.
Sayo lang to.
Sayaw. Kay may secret admirer siya. Oh, so you say.
Oh, in love na si Baba dyan.
In love si Baba. Don't worry.
Pero, wag kang magmayabang dahil di ka gustuhin. Wala kang papaya. No papaya.
No papaya, only
No
orange.
papaya, orange. Sana all. Sabi ni Baba, lalamasin ko dyan, di punggol ka.
Ayaw niya ng papaya.
If you want papaya, you come with me na.
Pero sis, big papaya. Me, no papaya, only konate. Si Silent, no konate, no papaya.
What you want?
The
Choice
one-
na.
Choose na. This is the one, have
This is
big
the one na
konate and big papaya.
Oh.
Me, without papaya, have konate. This is without papaya, without konate, di ponggol. Nagsapit-apit ni ponggol.
You want more big na.
If you enter the life of Rose, you must be a diamond, lion, and what's calling this, mamata. If no mamata, no love.
In English, patas balik.
and then they said kaliwali yung papaya.
You like papaya?
Yeah,
Okay, come
yeah.
with me na.
Ano yan, naka-record?
Come
Ay,
to me,
don't
my
worry.
darling.
Hoy, naka-record yan?
Oo, nakarecord nga yan. Ayun,
You
7
love-
minutes.
Ha?
Oo. I will introduce, this is Silent Girl.
You want the kilikili?
Oh, the kilikili. Oh my God, oh lala. This is Rose,
What you want? Bilbil?
the crying lady.
My content is crying lady because more hurt na.
This is in case, the Satan lady.
The queen of the TikTok fighting lady.
The queen fighting TikTok lady. If you fighting the Rose, come live, the life of Rose, and then you kangaroo, this is in case. Be careful, ha?
Hoy,
Bahala na yun siya dyan.
Be careful, be careful.
sultan.
But this is silent, more account. This is the more account of kangaroo. Here's the finger.
Lala si finger.
What finger?
Your account na is finger.
Yeah, I have finger also because I'm CCTV. Yeah. That's why, because my boyfriend is big kangaroo in TikTok, and this is a king of kangaroos. She king of the kangaroos, and she telling me I'm queen of CCTV. What is this?
Thank you for watching, guys. The big kangaroo hair.
Big kangaroo. So, thank you.
Nabuwang.